Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can activate or deactivate the tablet function in the HAIER Dishwasher XI. So if you're using the tablets like a 5-in-1, 4-in-1 and you don't need to dosage the salt or the inside, you can disable the tablet mode. Enable the tablet mode. So how to do it? Turn on your appliance, then hold the half load function for 5 seconds to open the settings, and you're gonna see the language. Then click on the P button on the right side, and now we have the tablets. Then click on the start, and as you can see there we have the no, you can switch it to the yes. So if you're using the tablets with the old detergents, on the yes click on the start, and to save the settings just turn off and on your appliance again. That's it. Thanks for watching, it was a like or comment, and goodbye.